Hello everyone. Welcome to this course, Get Oracle Flying in AWS Cloud. This is Lecture 2, Course Agenda. Here are some of the things I'm going to cover in this course. I will start with what is a cloud, wherein I will give you a brief overview of cloud computing. Then I will talk about the major providers of the cloud computing like Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure. After that, I will talk about who are the Oracle authorized cloud providers who can host Oracle applications like Oracle Database 12c. I will also cover how Oracle licensing work within AWS Cloud or any other supported cloud provider for that matter. It will be followed by what are the different Oracle deployment options available to us in AWS Cloud. I will cover infrastructure as a service and a database as a service. I will take you through the pros and cons of using infrastructure as a service and a database as a service so that you can make a right decision which meets your business requirement. Next, I will cover backup and restore of Oracle database within AWS Cloud using Amazon Simple Storage Service and Amazon Glacier. Next, I will touch upon high availability options available to us within AWS infrastructure. In the end, I will talk about best practices you should follow in order to deploy Oracle database in AWS Cloud. I will try to cover each and every topic in details as much as possible so that you do not need to worry if you do not know Oracle or AWS in details. However, having basic administration skills on Oracle or AWS will be an advantage. So, let's get started.